up by Pamfrick. So then I'm trying to use some cement to see if they can control the road. See, as if it's the quality of that Marla's dirt that they use cause this to happen. Go across the road. See, watch, you see? Out by jamming tail, the road damaging.
It's the bad marl that they have used that has caused the asphalt to reject it. We have proper marl in this parish and aggregate. We should not be using the type of marl that they use to sit the asphalt on. This piece of road here used to be one of the strongest pieces of road in the parish. We had a couple holes, but this road, if they had applied correct raw material, we would not have the issues. We cannot go back to Minister Clark to seek funds to fix this road that Prime Minister has put his head on the block to give St. Thomas a good road. We now have a beautiful road from Kingston into Morant Bay. But we have a road that looks beautiful. But what is going to happen to our generation? They will have to sit and wait another 40 years to get a road infrastructure to lead them to where they want to go. We are calling on the authorities, national works agencies, to have the contractors accountable to ensure that the infrastructure is dug up and replaced with proper raw materials, where we will have a road structure that will save the government funds for the next 40 years. We cannot just asphalt a road and the road is gone. The entire road structure from Pamfret right into Yalos is gone, and you can see it for yourselves.
That would become
It is a mark.
It's a dirt. Like
It's dirt. It's
yeah.
It's no good.
Yeah.
So it's the raw material that they use to lay the asphalt on.
Yeah.
The asphalt cannot hold to it.
Because
It makes no sense. It makes no sense. It has to be replaced.
So you can see that look at the quality that we use. So this is the quality that they use. It's like a dirt. See it? It's a clear dirt. Look at it. See it? Look at it. You see it? Yeah. So it is not firm enough for this.
Throughout the whole leg from Harborview coming to all the way back to C4. It's real. Beat me out.
Yeah.
It's real right now. I don't know what kind of material them put on the road, but it don't work. Me drive go Portland, and trust me, the material where them put on Portland Road is way far better than what them put on this leg from Harborview coming back for Marant Bay side. All car do a poor thing job. These people around here, so I think say they need to do a better job, but it seems like you go back to square one because the road surface itself not good. The base of the road still not good because everybody knows that all of these road coming back to here, so a water area. So I don't know what kind of work they do on the road. And trust me, if you navigate through this shit, nothing now got done to this shit unless somebody crash and dead. That's the only time things are going to it.
I really
Because
hope not.
we know, we hope not, but we know when you come on to system like these, if the people them in a high position don't see death, then don't, and then tell about road and speed and this and that. So all of what them I tell you don't pray.
And even, yourself, you have to take a little time to go through this right now. You have to drive on the opposite side of the
When
road.
Sinting a come, and if you try go over back there, so you're dropping a pier, Sinting well. So Sinting when they call creator is not whole.
Yeah.
You're dropping a.
So what would you like to see happen right now?
What I would like to see happen is that the proper authorities send out somebody who can deal with the road situation. Because St. Thomas Road is not just a road where you just come and work on. St. Thomas Road is somebody who have sense of a fixed St. Thomas roadway. Because you say it's there.
And you living at the place? Living at St. Thomas?
43 years of my life.
Alright, tell me your name.
Hey, everybody know me as Tommy.
What them
But
know
my
you
name
as?
is Tommy.
Tommy, alright,
Yes.
cool. Much respect here.
No problem.
And drive safe.
Yes.
Alright,
Who no
cool.
mind if they can get the bad with them in IT.
Okay, I am Marcia Bennett, Custos of St. Thomas and Senior Custos of Jamaica. I don't normally do this, but I believe we have a very serious problem here. We, after many years, we were blessed, and I'm saying blessed, with a good road from Harborview into Morant Bay. There are issues, but I am personally grateful to the Prime Minister because he had to go on a limb to give us this road. We cannot go back to Minister Clark, Minister of Finance, after they have spent over 400 million US dollars. That money is taxpayers' funds. We will have to repay it. Our children's future is injured on this road. But what we are now seeing from at Pamphret there right down to where the Yellow Pond is a complete, I don't even know what to say, that has taken place with the road. The asphalt has removed from the marl. And it's just, sometimes you will find a little spot. But this is the entire surface that you're seeing that I believe what took place, and many persons who have experience kept saying that the marl that they were using is inferior raw material. It is now showing it because the asphalt cannot hold to the marl. So it is removing away from it. So the entire road, right from the top there, going into Yalos, see a vehicle coming there, and it is just moving away. What we have now is puddles. The asphalt going one place and the dirt going, it is separation. That is what you call it, separation. But people were complaining, but when they realized that the road is now marked, you are now telling us that we now have a finished road. This is going to cost millions of dollars to take up and replace. We cannot go back to government. So I'm calling on the authorities, national works agencies, members of parliament do not have authority to fix any road. We are paying civil servants, so they must come and fix this road. Time come, we suffered for over 40 years on the worst roads in St. Thomas. Everybody is saying St. Thomas has the best roads. Now look what is here. And I'm not saying it's all the road surface that is bad, but something went wrong between Pamphlet and going to the pond. It's all of that road that needs to be addressed and needs to be addressed speedily. We are being told that there has been an accident and the vehicle came off the road and went right into the farm. We cannot afford to lose any lives because people are coming on a road believing that it is there and it is moving as they drive. So I want to thank TVJ to be here this morning to bring this to the attention of the authorities. We have nobody to speak for us, so I'm saying as the Custos of the parish, this is not political, this is our livelihood, this is our future, this is the future of our children. Please deal with it now. Thank you very much.
Where you come from?
Kingston.
Your name?
Heading to Port Maran.
And your name?
Siobhan Graham.
Siobhan?
Graham.
Graham. Right, tell me how the road stay at drive on it.
The road not ready. It's done already. When the field say it's ready, sometimes your vehicle just start swing. Not ready. The road want to do all over.
I realize that some people have to drive on the opposite side of the road just to avoid some of this and
Yeah. More than you have to be careful when you go on the street.
because that too is dangerous.
Yeah. The road need to do all over again. You don't know what they do the money.
Is it, you think because of the hurricane, like this happened or was it before?
No. Before hurricane, the road bad. Before the hurricane, it's bad.
Yeah.
As if said they then don't fix it up, it get bad.
So what do you think causes the problem? What do you think is the problem? What is like this?
Poor material. They need some stone to ballast the road. They can't use the mall, they need some stone to ballast
But
the road.
actually, this is not mall. This is like some dirt.
Dirt.
Yeah.
A dirt that. A dirt that.
It don't look good at all.
You know, look.
Yeah. And for persons driving along here, so you have any advice to give them if they might drive right here? So
Well, them have to be careful. Take them time, put them speed. The road is good.
I'm living here for 40 years, so I know this here quite well. From the center cut, which is started Greenwall District, right down to Pantile. As far as I'm concerned, it's a scenario, it's a trap to where it's reached now. It's a trap because vehicles have been running off the street. It becomes alarming and a fear to even children hearing tired crying and crying and crying. And it will never used to be like that before the road said come as it is. Now, when I look into it now, as I listen, it's taxpayers' money. But it's telling me that taxpayers' money has been desecrated totally under a condition like this. It's the ostracism being brought upon taxpayers' money. So I need to look about.
yeah. And you say what happened last week now?
A vehicle came off the street about 3.5 right into the farm. If I was there or anybody was there in the daytime, it would have been detrimental. So it's a place need to look after. As I said, it's a snare, it's a trap. That's what it turned. I didn't take much time to turn a trap. Because it seems as if you know, this is not only, if they let it stay and these signs of things going on, they're going to become wonders.
Is it speeding that you think is causing the issue, or you think it's the condition of the road?
They all culminated. But the road is one of the most detrimental. Because people coming from end not expecting certain things.
Right.
You coming from that end because they're expecting a nice clean road. So those two culminated together. But there could be a little more caution for the stop. Because there are people who don't know the road at all. So it need to be addressed, and this is like no. Like no. But this is where I'm right here, so I see everything, hear everything.
On a daily basis, I know sometimes, even just a while ago, we saw cars coming from that side going on the other side of the road and saying,
And then they said, this Colax came and did their own, and you know, it was, at least you were a little bit sicker than this. But this is actually dirt under the place. I don't know if it's a lack of competency in the engineers, not doing it properly, not piling down there properly, why this happening, but there's no man. It's just right in there, that right up, see all right there? Near is a truck for accident. I'm here from Gilbert. And in those times, all holidays,
I'm not a technical person, but you could see where they take it up and they replace it, and people could be heard saying, where they get that marl from? It's the inferior quality of the marl that is now causing the deterioration of the road surface. What is here is beautiful asphalt, but what is under it, and all of it is going to be removed sooner or later, because you can see it crumbling.
Are you aware the matter was reported like to the NWA or to check or anything like that?
I'm going to say something that it sounds that it could only be done in St. Thomas, because I believe people here have no sense. Even the building of this road, many persons have attempted, and I've spoken to my members of parliament, many persons have attempted to say you cannot put the drainage of the water there. We live here, so we know when there's heavy rain what is going to take place. They will not listen to you. And I've been told by councillors of the parish council, when they try to make a report, the agency that is responsible for the roads have told their officers not to take any instruction from the local authorities. So it means they will not listen to normal persons like me. So this morning, I am saying to the minister who is in charge of roads, please get your officers to correct what is here, because we cannot go back to Prime Minister, we cannot go back to Minister Clark, and what the Prime Minister is doing for the town centre, where are those people going to drive on? They will have no roads. So then we need to have it corrected.
You have a question? Ask the question.
Custos, could you address Seafort is also Marcia?
I have driven on Seafort Road, and I have heard that going up into Cedar Valley also, there needs to be corrective action taken. The works agencies need to take a look at what they have done, going right into Port Morant, because we have to correct it. We have nowhere to go. This is where we live, and we cannot go back to government. We have been on this road. I've driven on this road. It has taken us 3 hours, 4 hours to go into Kingston. Now we boast that we have the best roads. Give us the best roads. That is all we are asking for. Give us the infrastructure that you tell us you have given to us. And again, I'm saying to Prime Minister, get them off them bobs to come and fix the road, because they are being paid. And Minister Charles and James Robertson can't fix road. and they have no authority to fix no roads. It comes from the technical people, and the technical people need to come out and fix the road.
See, so go through the pool, that's what happened. You got deep, no? When you go through the pool, no?
And you don't put many things, so I know that anything.